Welcome kids, YuviSharma channel. Hello little stars. Today we will learn small number addition with beautiful shining stars. Are you ready? Let's start. Look at the stars carefully. One shining star. And one more shining star. How many stars now? Let's count together. Let's count the first group. 1. Let's count the second group. 2. Total stars are 2. 1 star plus 1 star equals to 2 stars. Great job. 2 stars plus 1 more star. Count with me. Let's count the first group. 1. 2. Let's count the second group. 3. Total 3 stars. 2 stars plus 1 star equals to 3 shining stars. Let's count the first group, 3 stars. Now the second group, 0.2 stars. How many stars in total? 3 stars plus 2 stars equals to 5 shining stars. You are doing amazing. Next one. We have 4 stars and 1 stars more. Let's add them together. 4 stars plus 1 stars equals to 5 shining stars. Great job kids. Last question. Here come more stars. 5 and 3 stars. Let's add them up. 5 stars plus 3 stars equals to 8 shining stars. Wow, that's super shining math. Amazing job little stars. You did wonderful addition today. Keep practicing every day and become a math star. See you in the next fun video. Good night kids. Thank you kids. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more learning videos.
Goodbye.